All right, so I have David here. So he's almost done with his treatments. He's been here for 8 weeks, and he was suffering with knee pain. And I know you were active tennis player. You've been playing tennis for a while, and the pain was stopping you from moving or doing or playing as much as you wanted. So tell me how you feel right now.
I've had a marked improvement since I began the treatment. I think before the treatment I was playing tennis 2 or 3 times a week, and I had difficulty finishing some of the matches that I actually played in. I physically could not finish them because the knee pain was so severe. I started the program, and I started to see immediate relief, and I would say that the first 2 or 3 weeks of the program I had some uncertainty or reservations about how effective it would be. Once I got into about the 4th or 5th week, I started to see more of a profound change. And today, my ability to play tennis is substantially better than it was. I'm playing 4 times a week. I'm playing 3 deep sets of tennis, and I have almost minimal knee pain when I play. And one of the things that I've understood and learned about myself in this process is, there's a physical therapy piece, there's a therapy piece, but there's also a learning about your own body piece. And as I age, I understand that my muscles aren't as flexible, that I need to be stretching. Going through the stretching regimen has helped my knee pain and my range of motion and my swelling substantially. Doing the physical therapy exercises has strengthened the muscles, the stabilizer muscles around my knee joints, and also improved my range of motion and my ability to play pain-free. So this has been a very interesting process, both from a treatment standpoint, but also from a learning standpoint.
Awesome. We're happy that you are feeling better and moving better, and we're great to see that you're improving and you can do more with your body now.